We're in Dunsmuir, California, at their little town park. And there's this 260 Locomotive, number 1727. Unfortunately, it's behind a tall fence. There's a little description. Unfortunately, it's very difficult to see. Built, let's see, is a Class M-6 Mogul, built by Baldwin Automotive Works in 1901. And unfortunately, it's behind a fence. And we're right next to I-5. See Mount Shasta back there. It's nice. It's in nice shape. Lots of train stuff in this town. There's a Vanderbilt tender on the back. Let's see here, they got some information about it. It says 460. Well, it looks to me like a 260. Anyway, it's nice. Nice looking. Well taken care of. I'm gonna walk up there again and see. Sure looks like a 260 to me. Huh. There's a caboose down the road here. We're gonna walk down and take a look at it.